Hello, and welcome to the Crittenden Connect podcast. I'm Financhi.
And I'm Gavin.
And today we'll be focusing on tips and tricks for 6th graders. Now, the first thing is, middle school is not as hard as it seems. It might take a while to get used to everything, but really, we're all here to help.
Yeah, so when I first got into middle school, and I'm in 6th grade now, I just got in and I wasn't ready for all the crazy stuff to happen, but everyone helped me out and I got ready for everything else.
The second thing is, do not overcrowd your schedule. It might be really fun to just go and see all of those new clubs and everything, but you want to make sure that you don't put too much pressure on yourself.
Yeah, in the first week when I was in middle school, I had a lot of stuff packed in my schedule, and I got overcrowded and then I got stressed out and everything just went downhill from there. So when I took stuff off my schedule, I felt better.
Now, the third thing is, you will find your classroom, so make sure you use your locker and keep it organized, because you can have a schedule, you can have even magnets if you want, and just make sure you know where to go and when it happens.
And when we first changed into lockers and now when we're using lockers, my locker in the very beginning was messy and crazy and everything. So once I finally started organizing it, it was much easier to find my stuff and get everything that I need for my next class.
Number 4 is check your bag before, the night before, because I have lost so many things and the next day that I just needed to do it every night, and it helps me still.
Yeah, same. I still lose stuff all the time, so I always have to make sure that I have my stuff ready for school the next day and check my bag so that I have every single thing I need.
And the 5th thing is the most important thing. If you're in doubt, do not hesitate to ask. Everyone's here to help you, the teachers, the staff, and we're all here to welcome you to HCC.
Exactly. Ask questions. It's okay to ask questions and ask the teachers because everyone's very kind and they'll help you out.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Crittenden Connect podcast. Join us next time when we discuss everything Moana Jr.